The Polycom VVX 350. In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. Next to the keypad, you'll see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as your navigation arrow keys, headset and speakerphone buttons, and physical mute, transfer, hold, and voicemail buttons. There is also a physical volume control. Using these buttons while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using these buttons while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using via handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When that display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail and do not disturb. The buttons to the left of the screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension. Assigned busy lamp field or remote line keys for other extensions, and even allow you to assign login and logout buttons for hunt groups. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to forwarding and do not disturb. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad and pick up the handset. Press the headset button or press the speakerphone button to start the call on your preferred medium. Call information such as the dialed number and call duration will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while in your conversation. While on a call, you can start a separate call by placing the current caller on hold, dialing the number for your second call, and press the dial soft key. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start the call on your preferred medium again. Call information like the caller ID and duration are made available on this, as well as additional soft key options for your conversation. To answer a call waiting, simply press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by pressing the originating line key. While on a call, you can place a caller on hold by pressing the physical hold key or pressing the hold soft key. The caller is immediately placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID and call duration. To pick the call back up, press the resume soft key or press the blinking line key. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. At the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer the call to and wait for the party to answer the call. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer key again, or simply hanging up your phone and the call will immediately be connected to your second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. While on a call, press the transfer soft key to place the caller on hold. Press the blind soft key to change the transfer type. Dial the extension or number you wish to transfer to, and press the send button. The call is immediately transferred to the second party. The call history store has records of all calls made and received to this device. You can use the arrow keys to quickly access specific call history lists, such as received, missed, and placed calls. Or you can press the home button, navigate to directories, and select recent calls. You can read out any number from the list by using the arrow keys to select the call and pressing the dial soft key. You can also add a history call as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys, then press the info soft key. Press the save soft key. Then edit the name, phone numbers, and contact information, and then press the Save soft key to store the information in your phone's directory. To access the directory, press the Home button, navigate to Directories, and select Contact Directory. Any contacts you've added to the device will be listed here, and you can select the contact and press the Dial soft key to quickly call out to the party. You can also press the Add soft key to create a new contact at any time. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers to your Follow Me Forward settings, press the D and D soft key on the idle display screen. The D and D icon will appear on the screen. Press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can set call forwarding on your device at any time. Always Forward will immediately forward all calls received to this device to the number you entered. No answer forward will forward any calls you miss while idle or on a call to the number you entered after your specific ring time. By default, your unanswered calls are forwarded to your voicemail. Busy forward will forward any calls you reject to the number you entered. By default, rejected calls from your device will automatically forward the caller to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will see a voicemail icon appear next to your line keys and a small display of how many new voicemail messages are stored. This note will stay visible until you listen to your new voicemail messages. To check your voicemail, press the voicemail button on the device. When prompted, enter your PIN to access the voicemail box, where you can listen to your voicemail messages or edit your outgoing greetings from the automated voice menu.